Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking by the Book. My name is Katie and today we're taking a look at Reese Witherspoon's Whiskey in a Teacup. Now her grandmother taught her that Southern women were whiskey in a teacup, combination of beauty and strength, and of course famous for their hospitality. If you're going to host a great party, you need great recipes and this book is full of them. Today we're making the hot spinach and artichoke dip. Let's get started. For hot spinach artichoke dip, we will need 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese, divided, 1 cup frozen spinach, thawed, drained, and coarsely chopped, 1 14-ounce can artichoke hearts, drained and coarsely chopped, 4 ounces or 1/2 cup of cream cheese at room temperature, 1/2 cup of sour cream, 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1 clove of garlic grated, 1/4 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, and if you want it, you can add 4 to 5 dashes of hot sauce. To make our hot spinach artichoke dip, we're going to combine half of our Parmesan cheese along with the rest of the ingredients in a small baking dish. We'll mix till that's well combined. Be sure to butter your baking dish or spray it with cooking spray beforehand, or you'll have quite a mess when you go to clean it up. Once we've got that well combined, we're going to sprinkle the other half of that Parmesan cheese on top. And now we will bake at 350 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes or until the cheese is bubbly and starting to brown on the top. We hope you enjoyed today's episode of Cooking by the Book, and we will see you next time.